Friends, welcome back to Scat Skills. In today's video, we're going to be checking out variables in Python. A Python variable is a reserved memory location to store data. Data can include strings, integers, floats, and boolean. Now, there's a certain format that we need to follow while writing a variable. It's the variable name, an equal to sign, and then whatever data we're putting in. Rules to follow while writing the variable name can include: make sure the variable name is on the left and not the right. Do not start the variable name with a number, but you can, but just don't. It's bad. And special characters, you can't. You cannot start it with a special character. And do not add any special character other than underscore in the variable name, because then you get an error. Choose descriptive variable names that match with whatever data we are putting in it. Keep the variable name short for your own convenience. Follow tradition, don't start it with uppercase and underscores. Let's check a few examples to understand it more. Name is equal to data Nahata. So this is my name, and this is how I made a variable that contains my name in it. Now we can make another variable called favorite color. And oh, not favorite color. Let's put favorite number and put in an integer. So that's a string, that's an integer. Now we can make another one stating true or false. 7 is equal to 8. And now we can create one more that includes float. Sorry. That includes, let's name it x is equal to 9.78. Now here we have created variables of four types: strings, integers, booleans, and floats. Now let's see how we can get these to print or get them to some use. Since we made them, now we need to use it. So we can type in print name, and this should give us name. Like this, we can type in another print x, and this should give us the float. You see how this works? Now we can make our own variables that put in input provided by the user. To do this, make a variable name. For now, let's name it, um, we can name it color, and put an equals to sign and write in input. Input, brackets, commas, and enter. Now what this will do is, let me just comment these down so that they don't interfere. Run the program and you see enter. Now we can type in anything we want, but after we do it, nothing's happening. To make something happen over here, we need to type print color. So what this will do is, it will give the user a chance to input whatever their favorite color is and will store it in as X. I mean as color. So type in your favorite color and purple. See, it's stored as purple now. Now we can do a few cool things. We can add quotes and type in your fave color is, and then put a plus sign, and now run it. So, PRUPLE, your fave color is purple. See, isn't this fun? You can make this with many other things. You can put your animal and type in animal over here and type in enter favorite animal, and then click on the run button. Enter favorite animal. I like dogs. So your favorite, oh, we forgot to change it over there. Animal is A dog. Oh, dang. Okay, well, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys understood what variables do. In my upcoming videos, we'll discuss about them much more and use them. For this video, I hope you guys understood what a variable does and what its role is. Now, variables are really useful in Python and we'll use them a lot, and it'll be much easier as you go on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like. And if you have any comments or doubts to ask me, please make sure to include those in the comment box down below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.